Project Runway Philippines.
Natupad yung pangarap ko na makasama sa top 3. Sana tuloy-tuloy ang laban.
I badly want to win this. I mean, not just for the sake of money, and I want to do something great.
My inspiration for my collection is basically war and love.
Yan. Ito lang.
Nung sinimulan ko yung collection ko, medyo mabagal.
Ang nagawa mo ay dalawa pa lang.
Yes.
I see 3 collection. Make it cohesive. Explain naman your collection.
I was inspired by endemic wild birds of the Philippines. Kailangan mo ba siyang lagyan ng zipper? Kailangan mo ba siyang lagyan ng...
Aba natural.
My garments are crudely done. Kailangan ng matino yung pag-ayos yun.
Impressed ako.
Aking collection.
Tanggalin mo na yan, paanakin mo ito.
Siguro, kulang tulugan to.
Sobrang down na ako. Gusto ko nang punitin yung mga ginawa ko. Ay, I left the workroom. Breakdown ako. After that, medyo gumaan yung pakiramdam ko.
Manny does very traditional, conventional. Russell does clothes na medyo unconventional din. I am in the middle of the two of them.
Gusto ko lang medyo malinis yung paglabas ng mga damit ko on the runway.
Ito na to. Ito na tong inaantay kong matagal na.
The finalists of Project Runway Philippines will present their collections in Philippine Fashion Week. The winner of Project Runway Philippines will receive ₱500,000 pesos, a fashion editorial from Preview Magazine, sewing machines from Brother International, a designer's package from Mannequin Incorporated, and a summer scholarship from SOFA's European partner school, Instituto Marangoni.
This is Project Runway Philippines, the competition to discover the Philippines' next big fashion designer.
This is total madness.
I was born to do this.
For these young designers, this is an opportunity of a lifetime.
I am a magician. I can make them all disappear.
I am a cut above the rest.
I'm a small guy in a big man's world of fashion.
Designing for the runway will be no walk in the park. You have to go through the eye of a needle to make it to the top.
This is Project Runway Philippines.
Gumising ako ng 3 a.m. para gumawa ng damit ko para sa finale. Pero hindi ko pa rin natapos kasi natulog ako ulit around 6 a.m. Ang iniisip ko kasi yung matapos yung nang maaga yung collection.
Sige na, una. Kailang. Today, I woke up earlier than normal and I couldn't sleep. So, naisipan ko, magtahinga lang ako na magtahi kasi sobrang yung adrenaline rush ko. Sobrang, it's way over my head already kasi wala pa ako natatapos nga. Tapos na.
Hey!
Hello, Sandy! Pusilip?
Mrs. mo yung nabuntis. Hindi ka.
Meron kaming kanya-kanyang aesthetic dun sa damit namin. Kaya mahirap na i-compare kasi si Russell magaling sa styling. The problem is ang sewing niya hindi talaga malinis. Si Santi magaling sa lahat, sewing, styling. Ang problema ko lang doon, nakita na ng lahat yung style niya eh. Yung sa akin naman, kahit na simple yung silhouette ko, bago naman yung styling ko at yung aesthetic ko.
When I saw Manny's clothes, medyo nagulat ako kasi parang tipo, ay, parang di naman ata si Manny yan. Most of his clothes really had a very young feel to them. Okay. And with Russell is that, maganda rin yung treatment niya, but I don't think that yung level of finishing niya at saka pananahin niya ay up to par with his ideas.
Tatapos din to. I'm happy sa mga nagawa ko today kasi Nung nilagyan ko na siya ng fusing, nung na-reinforce ko na yung damit ko, nagmukha na siyang mahal. Sobrang iba na yung itsura. Salamat kay Santi.
Natututo ka na.
Ang layo ng difference pala talaga.
Mas madadalian kang manahi. Bilang kaibigan ko si Russell, I wanted him to finish his collection para maipakita niya yung total effect na gusto niya. Yun na rin sana, nilagyan mo na. Ito yung mga napupunit-punit, di ba?
Hello, designer.
Hi, Sir Joy.
Good morning. How's everyone? During fashion shows or pictorials, styling is very important. So I have with me two people who would want to talk to you. So I have here Borj Aloba of L'Oreal Professionnel and Jigs Mayuga of L'Oreal Paris. So they're here to discuss with you your hair and makeup options and requirements for tomorrow's runway. Okay? So there you are.
All right, Russell, so tell us about your collection. I can see that it's very, very colorful.
Yung unang consultation for the hair and makeup for the final runway at andun si Jigs at saka si Borj. Diniscuss rin namin kung anong klaseng makeup yung gusto namin.
Basically, color around the eyes.
Focus lang ako sa eye makeup na iba-ibang shades.
Actually, wala talaga akong idea sa makeup tsaka sa hair, kung anong bagay doon sa collection ko. So, nagpatulong ako kay Jigs kung ano yung bagay. Basta narinig ko sa kanya parang smoky eyes lang. Tapos sa hair ko naman, pull up daw. Tapos magulo lang yung sa likod according to Birds naman.
For the hair, medyo naisip ko nga na medyo clean lang yung sides, tapos papunta lang sa likod. So very sleek lang kasi it complements my clothes kasi ayoko nang masyadong magulo kasi magulo na yung damit ko. Very simple lang, very classic, pero very edgy. Alright, thank you very much.
Thanks. See you tomorrow at the show.
This is the final stretch na, no? So, well, I want to tell you how proud I am of the three of you for making it this far.
Final consultation namin with Georgie and it's a bit nerve-wracking. A bit sad though kasi last na siya. Last na namin na may mentor si Georgie. After that, magmamahal na siya.
99% na.
99% yung hindi pa tapos.
Naramdaman ko doon sa mga sinabi ni Sir Georgie na kaming tatlo ay winner na para sa kanya. Parang nasarap pakinggan dahil galing sa isang sikat na designer na magsabi nun sa amin na wala pang pangalan. Parang nakaka-inspired na siya ang nagsabi nun.
I want you to wow them all tomorrow, okay? And the best of luck to the three of you.
Group As of now, sigurado akong kalahati ng collection ko 100% done. The other half, hindi pa. Yun nga, hindi ako matutulog ngayon. Sana matapos ko lang talaga siya.
Mga 2 hours naman akong natulog. I made sure na parang tipong my clothes are finished. I know that whatever I need to do is attainable in the time that I still have. At least kung sakali mang ma-haggard pa ako, kaya ko pang gumo-go-go.
Talagang tumaas yung blood pressure ko. Kasi worried ako na hindi ko matapos yung collection ko. Ang bagal kasi niyang gawin kasi talagang kamay lang ang dapat gamitin niya sa pagtahi. So yun, naghalo-halo na siguro yung sakit, antok, pagod.
Kuya Manny, sobrang perfect ng execution. Sobrang ganda ng treatment niya. Kaso ang comment ko lang doon, they're all bustiers. Walang innovation sa silhouettes at delikado siya sa styling, as usual. Well, Santi, makikita mo yung aesthetic niya, everything. Although, I've seen those before.
Kalahati lang.
Aesthetic-wise, innovation-wise, I'm a mile ahead of them. Concept-wise, I'm a mile ahead of them. Wala silang laban sa akin. Pero execution-wise, yun, pwede na ako mamatay ngayon.
For me, maganda na yung collection ko. Proud lang ako dahil natapos ko rin yung lahat. First show ko to at national TV pa. Parang dream come true para sa akin na nakapasok dito sa Project Runway at nasa top 3.
Runway day tomorrow and I really feel calm. Sobrang Wala lang, go with the flow, man. Cool lang. Pero I don't know, bukas baka masuka ako sa kabab.
Basically, I'm happy at the end of the day at confident ako na ang mga damit ko na darapa on stage ay nag-encapsulate ng rason kung bakit ako umabot ng top 3. I am here to tell stories, not just my stories, but stories of other people as well.